Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Sofa and today we're gonna have a nice unbox review video. And I got this box today from my friend Mike from Texas. And it's a pretty cool thing, but you can see it's kind of beaten up. And I hope the inside is still fine. I think everything will be cool, so let's start. So the moment of truth. Open up carefully. This. Okay, there we go. So that. Okay, looks good. Very well packed. Okay, and what do we have here? Riker boxes, pretty cool. They're a little bit messed up here in the corner, but fine. Looks still awesome. 1, 2, 3 of them. Oh man, this is so awesome. So very well packed actually. So just put it in here. So here we go. Here are my 3 Riker boxes, and I'm gonna put finally some of my stuff in it, which will look pretty awesome. So this will be actually a very short video, but I just wanted to show it and tell Mike thank you very much. I really appreciate that. I will soon release a couple other videos. Just a little bit stressed up with several situations here, but I think everything's fine now, so everything's coming up. By the way, I just wanted to tell thanks to my subscribers. I'm very happy that you guys follow me, you comment on, you support me, so this is highly appreciated. And I wish you all a nice weekend. Don't forget to like this video. Thanks again. Bye bye.